In this video, we will talk about transversals. So let's first, what is a transversal? So a transversal is a line that cuts or intersects two or more other lines. Keep in mind that if a transversal intersects two or more lines that are parallel, and if the transversal is perpendicular to one of the parallel lines, it is perpendicular to all parallel lines. So we use this symbol to mean parallel lines parallel, and we use this symbol to mean not parallel. So let's have a couple examples here. So our transversal here is line T because it intersects both lines, which is L and M. Now let's make another example here. Now in this figure, line P is a transversal because it intersects S, M, and N. These lines are parallel lines as indicated by the arrowheads that are not on the ends of the segments, because the transversal P is perpendicular to one of the parallel lines. It is perpendicular to all parallel lines. We omit the arrowhead on the ends of these lines because the arrowheads would clutter the diagram. So since this line, and this line is parallel, so we can say that S is parallel M, N. And these lines are not parallel to each other. As you can see, these ones have like a curve, so we have L is not parallel to M. If the transversal is not perpendicular to the lines, two groups of equal angles are formed. So let's say we have a line here that are parallel to each other, and our transversal is not. When we have these kind of figures which is not perpendicular, we have a large angle and small angle. So this is large angle, this is a small angle. This is the large angle, this is the small angle. And for the second line, this is the large, so which is basically just the same. So we use the letter L and S to mean large and small. So we note that together a large angle and a small angle form a straight line, which is 180 degrees. So the large angle and the small angle are what? There are supplementary. Angle A and the 60-degree angle form a straight line which measures 180 degrees. That means we need to minus 180 by 60 to find angle A. So that is 120. So that means angle A is 120 degrees. So as you can see that lines M and N are parallel. So all the small angles equal. So all the small angles are equal and the large angles are equal. So this is the large angle, this is the small angle. This is the large angle, this is the small angle. So since A and B is large, that means B is also 120. And C is the small angle, so our small angle here is 60. So C is 60. So this is the answer for your problem.